Hey everybody, it's Justin with Vivid Detailz Auto Spa. We got a heck of a project here. We have the 2024 Cadillac Escalade in for our whole vehicle protection, and you know we're putting that Icon Rocklear all over that sea of black paint. Because look at this guy. It came in, it's a 2024, but it is already scratched all the heck. That's deep scratches there. Got plenty of swirls. There's also water spots in this paint. Again, a brand new vehicle. This is what happens when we don't have proper protection in place. Look at all those etched in bug guts. We didn't forget to clean that, guys. That was just etched in. Now we're prepping for Icon Rocklear, and let's get right into it. This is me and the wifey poo tackling this hood of this beautiful, beautiful Escalade. Getting this guy just the best protection that we have on the market in the form of a hand applied coating. Now this is 75 times stronger than ceramic coatings, 35 times thicker, and also has 20 times the UV protection as well as self-healing properties. Now look at this interior. Again, it's a brand new interior. It's not horrible, but it definitely needed some love. So plenty of dust to go around. Does anybody want a piece of bubble gum? And don't dare ask me what that white stuff is in the other one. I didn't dare rub it on my gums to test it out. Now look at that chalky door. Crumbs all over the place. Again, this interior is not bad. It's new, but it could definitely use some love. All right, guys. Now this is what the Icon Rocklear looks like when it's all done. And just for you haters out there, you know I put a light on there to show you that this is a real defect-free finish. The light is not going to lie to you. That's why we put the light on every square inch. Follow that light right in the circle, and you should be able to see that there is no blemishes or defects in this coating. Now, what makes this coating so different is I didn't have to go in here and remove all these defects, therefore removing a ton of clear coat in the process. No, Icon Rocklear is so thick, it fills up all those swirls without needing to do paint correction. We don't have to take away from your clear coat. That'll never come back. We're only adding material to this vehicle. And when this vehicle came, it had about 4.5 mils of clear coat. This thing left with about 6.5 mils of clear coat. That interior is looking fire now. Of course, we got all the water spots out of the moonroof. Every nook, crack, and crevice is not only deep clean, but we protected everything from the leather, the plastics, to the textile, all of it. Now, we still love ceramic coatings here, but we just suggest you put them on stuff like those wheels there. Put the ceramic coating on your glass, your plastic trim pieces, and of course the interior. The leather and the plastic is going to thank you for getting it protected. Especially if you have kids or pets in the vehicle, this is a must. Now look at how gorgeous this brand new Cadillac Escalade is, and it is got the armor on it to face the road of life ahead. Again, this is a big black truck, so you are going to see everything. That's why we need some hardcore protection on there. Now my client Scott, this is the third vehicle he's had coated by us. The first one he had Icon Rocklear, and he was so impressed. Gave us a nice big tip and thanked us very wholeheartedly. Scott, we appreciate you and your wife, and we appreciate you for watching this video.